Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go. It's not available on your device. To know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go, it's not available on your device. You should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this page, you will search about this window of Monopoly Go. And you will click here. You will find it, then you click on first stop. After that we click storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you will wait a moment, then you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.